All right, y'all, we're gonna do one of my favorite Crockpot meals. It's a Crockpot meaty ravioli. Start with 1 can of crushed tomatoes, and we're gonna season it with some Italian seasoning. I've got a little over a pound of ground beef. I'm gonna put half of it because we're gonna layer it in here. I already seasoned this with a bunch of garlic salt. In case you're wondering if the meat is seasoned, it is. Get that mixed in there a little bit. Make a nice little meat sauce. Then once you have that mixed in, we're gonna put 2 cups of mozzarella over the top of that. And then we're gonna throw about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan as well on top of that. And we're gonna we got a 24-ounce bag of ravioli, frozen. We're gonna put about half the bag over that. Get it nice and spread. Put a few more. Just get it nice and covered. You don't have to do too much. Then we're gonna take another can of crushed tomatoes, 28 ounces, put it over the top of that. Rest of the meat. Put some Italian seasoning over that. Take your Parmesan and your mozzarella. Get that mixed over the top there. Then once you have all that, we're going to put our final layer of ravioli on top. And just get it spread over the top there. Let some of the cheese kind of go over the ravioli there. I've got a little extra Parmesan I'm going to sprinkle over the top of that. All right, so we're going to put the lid on. We're going to set it on low for 3 to 4 hours. Come back, this baby should be ready. All right, let's take a look. This looks perfect. Get it bubbling.
Cheesy.
Oh yeah. I want to get down into both layers too. Let's try. Doesn't this look like a perfect just winter time? Throw it in the crock pot. Just warm your soul right up. Doesn't it look like that?
Yeah.
Thank you. Is my hair crazy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, oops. My bad, people. Went on a walk and had my hoodie on. That's a winner right there, folks. Even made my jaw pop. It was so good. Yeah, I gotta try this.